Now welcome to Brainmasters videos. So today I'll be doing on partial fractions. So this is the three types of partial fraction that I've classified into to let you understand more. Okay, so for type 1, you will actually notice that this is there's actually two brackets and denominator. So partial fraction is require you to write them into two different fractions, okay, which can actually work back to tell you to get you your this form of fraction. So for type 1, you need to take note for this is that your power, there's no power to it, your power is only your power 1 to the x. So when you write it into partial fraction, you will have to separate the brackets in the easier form by a over ax plus b, plus your b over cx plus d. Okay, so done. This is how you write this into your partial fraction for the very first step for type 1. Okay, so next let's move on to our type 2 and our type 3. If you notice that both of them, these are with power, but one is the power 2 outside. The other will be the power 2 in the inside of the bracket. So they will both be written in a very different form. So for the one with the square, okay, that's outside the bracket, you write it into this form, okay, a over ax plus b, okay, plus b over ax plus b squared. Okay, so if this thing were to continue to cube, you'll continue to write c and then over ax plus b cube. If it's 4, just keep continuing. You will see the power gradually increases. Okay, then that's for your type 2. Now let's go on to your type 3. Your type 3 will be the easier one. It's the same as these two. Okay, this and this is somewhat similar, but however, due to the x squared inside, you will write it in a different form for the second fraction. So the first one you have a over x. Okay, the next one you have plus bx plus c whole thing over ax squared plus b. Okay, so take note that your partial fraction, whenever you do, the numerator power must always be smaller than the denominator power. So in this case, this is x power 1, this is x squared. So this is still smaller than the denominator. Okay, so this is the three type of partial fraction you will actually see in your question. Okay, let's go on to give you some further example. Let's say if I have a question like this, 1 over ax plus b cx squared plus d. So do you have in mind what it will be now? Okay, yes, correct. So this is what you have. Okay, a over ax plus b, and the next one will be plus bx plus c, okay, over your cx squared plus d. Yes, correct. Because there's two brackets, you separated them out, and because of this, there's a square inside, you have to write it in the form of a bx plus c for this one. Okay, let's try one more. Okay, I'll have x squared ax plus b, okay, in this form. So do you have one in mind now? Yes, you do, right? So you will actually have it 1a over x plus your b over x squared and plus c over ax plus b. Yes, correct. So this is what you will have for your partial fraction. So hopefully all this will help you to understand your understanding on the partial fraction. So if you do like our teaching videos, do subscribe to our YouTube channel. You may also go on to our blog, okay, for more related questions to practice on. Okay, thank you.